Hello friends, welcome to Rayat Shikshan Sanstha's Rayat Online School Education, that is ROSE. Myself, Mrs. Jyoti Anil Kamre from Rajarshi Chhatrapati Shahu College, Kolhapur. Friends, today we are going to see our subject bookkeeping and accountancy, and in that subject we are going to see our topic dissolution of partnership firm. Friends, today we are going to see our sixth practical problem. Let us read the problem. Practical problem number 6. Sangeeta, Anita, Smita were in partnership, sharing profits and losses in the ratio 2:1. Their balance sheet as on 31st March 2019 was as under. Balance sheet as on 31st March 2019. Liability side, capitals of Sangeeta, rupees 60,000, Anita, rupees 40,000, Smita, rupees 30,000. Sangeeta's loan, rupees 1,20,000, sundry creditors, 1,20,000, bills payable, 20,000. Asset side, land, rupees 2,10,000, plant, rupees 20,000, goodwill, rupees 15,000, debtors, 1,25,000, loans and advances, rupees 15,000. Bank, 5,000, and total of balance sheet, rupees 3,90,000. They decided to dissolve the firm as follows. Assets realized as under. Land recovered, rupees 1,80,000, goodwill, rupees 75,000, loans and advances realized, rupees 12,000, and 10% of the debts proved bad. Sangeeta took plant at book value. Third, creditors and bills payable paid at 5% discount. Fourth, Sangeeta's loan was discharged along with rupees 6,000 as interest. And fifth adjustment, there was a contingent liability in respect of bills of rupees 1 lakh, which was under discount. Out of them, a holder of bill of rupees 20,000 became insolvent. Show realization account, partners capital account, and bank account. We are going to solve this problem on Blackboard. Okay, so first up on we'll see how to do the posting of this balance sheet. So to the asset side, there is land, plant, goodwill, debtors, loans and advances. These all assets, excluding bank, these all assets will go to the debit side of realization account. Balance of bank will go to the debit side of bank account. Here the capital accounts, Sangeeta's capital, Anita's capital and Smita's capital will go to the credit side of capital accounts. Sangeeta's loan will go to the credit side of her loan account. And sundry creditors and bills payable, these are third party liabilities, will go to the credit side of realization account. Now let us see about the adjustments. First adjustment, assets realized as land recovered 1,80,000, goodwill for rupees 75,000, loans and advances realized rupees 12,000, and 10% of debts proved bad. That means we sold out all these assets and we recovered this cash from these assets, means 1,80,000 from land, goodwill 75,000, loans and advances 12,000, and debts proved bad means from these debtors of rupees 1,25,000, we will recover only 90% amount, that 90% amount, and these all assets we have to transfer. We had already transferred to realization account. Now the entry from this recovery will be bank account debit to realization account, because already we had transferred to the realization debit side. Now the entry will be bank account debit to realization account for realization of all assets. Second one, Sangeeta took plant at book value. Means plant of rupees 20,000 has taken over by Sangeeta. Means partner took the plant asset. So the entry will be partner's capital account debit to realization account, because already we had transferred. We are going to transfer this plant to the debit side of realization account, and whenever partner is taking this plant to the home, that means we have to pass the entry Sangeeta's capital account debit to realization account. Now third entry, creditors and bills payable paid at 5% discount. Here are creditors of 1,20,000 and bills payable of 20,000. These both third party liabilities we have to pay at 5% discount. So the entry will be realization account debit to bank account. So first effect of these two will go to the realization account debit, and second effect will go to the credit side of bank account. Fourth entry, Sangeeta's loan was discharged along with rupees 6,000 as interest. This Sangeeta's loan we have to transfer to the loan account, and we have to pay 1,26,000. But from that 1,20,000 we have to pay as loan and 6,000 as interest. So for loans entry or with interest entry will be Sangeeta's loan account debit, interest account debit to bank account, as well as that interest is our expenses. So it will go to the debit side of realization account. So 1,20,000 will go to the debit side of Sangeeta's loan account. 6,000 will go to the debit side of realization account, and 1,26,000 will go to the credit side of bank account. There was a contingent liability in respect of bill of rupees 1 lakh, which was under discount. Out of them, a holder of bill of rupees 20,000 become insolvent. Means we had paid one liability of rupees 1 lakh by discounting of our bills with bank, and from that bills one our debtor had become insolvent. So that cash we have to pay now. So while effect will go to the debit side of realization account of this 20,000 and credit side of bank account as realization account. So we have to show realization account, partners capital account and bank account. But in working note, we are going to make Sangeeta's loan account also. Okay, so 4 accounts we are going to open that we'll see on blackboard.
विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, तर हा प्रॉब्लेम आज आपण फळ्यावरती सोडवून पाहणार आहोत. फळ्यावरती नेमका हा प्रॉब्लेम कसा असतो. तर प्रॅक्टिकल प्रॉब्लेम नंबर 7 इन द बुक्स ऑफ संगीता, अनिता अँड स्मिता. This is realization account. This is debit side of realization account, credit side of realization account. Partners capital account. इथं आपले संगीता, अनिता अँड स्मिता तिघांचे पार्टनर अकाउंट ओपन केलेले आहे. हे संगीताचं लोन अकाउंट आपण जास्तीच ओपन केलेलं आहे, आपल्याला सांगितलेलं नाही, पण वर्किंग नोट्ससाठी आपण हे तयार केलेलं आहे. एक्झॅक्ट आपल्याला त्याच्यावर एंट्रीज कशा होतात हे पाहायचं आहे, आणि इथं आपण बँक अकाउंट ओपन केलेलं आहे. तर आपल्याला काय करायचं, तर आपण जो प्रॉब्लेम आपण पहिल्यांदा वाचतो त्यामध्ये जे आपल्याला बॅलन्स शीट दिलेली आहे ती बॅलन्स शीट पहिल्यांदा आपल्याला पोस्टिंग करून घ्यायचं आहे. तर बॅलन्स शीटची असेट साईड सर्वप्रथम आपण पोस्टिंग करून घेऊया. तर बॅलन्स शीटच्या असेटला जे जे आयटम आहे ते आपल्याला रिअलायझेशन अकाउंटच्या डेबिट साईडला नोंदवून घ्यायचे आहे. तर आपण टोटल एकत्र घेऊया. सन्ड्री असेट्स, त्यामध्ये लँड 2,10,000, प्लांट 20,000, गुडविल 15,000 15,000ची गुडविल. डेटर्स 1,25,000. लोन्स and advances 15,000च्या आहेत. अशी टोटल असेट म्हणजे आपल्याकडे सध्या टोटल असेट आहे 3,85,000ची. ती आपण रिअलायझेशनच्या डेबिट साईडला ट्रान्सफर करून घेतलेली. त्यानंतर इथे आपल्याला असेटला बँक दिलेली आहे. ती बँक आपण बँक अकाउंटच्या डेबिट साईडला ट्रान्सफर करून घेणार आहोत. टू बॅलन्स ब्रॉट डाउन. बॅलन्स आहे 5,000. ओके. त्याच्यानंतर आपण जाणार आहोत आपल्या लायबिलिटी साईडला. पहिल्यांदा दिलेले आहेत ते म्हणजे कॅपिटल्स. तर त्या व्यक्तीचे किंवा त्या पार्टनर्सचे कॅपिटल्स आपण त्यांना ट्रान्सफर करणार आहोत. तर आपण त्या पार्टनर्सच्या कॅपिटलच्या क्रेडिट साईडला जाणार आहोत. बाय बॅलन्स ब्रॉट डाउन. संगीताचं कॅपिटल 60,000. अनिता 40,000 and Smita 30,000. ओके. त्याच्यानंतर आपल्याला दिलेलं आहे संगीताच लोन अकाउंट. ते लोन अकाउंट आपण वरती ओपन केलेलं आहे. तिथे आपण पोस्टिंग करून घेणार आहोत. बाय बॅलन्स ब्रॉट डाउन. संगीताचं लोन आहे 1,20,000चं. ओके. आता हे सगळं आपण क्रेडिटला का बॅलन्स ब्रॉट डाऊन केले, कारण ही लायबिलिटी आहे, त्यामुळे क्रेडिट साईडला आपण सगळे बॅलन्सेस ब्रॉट डाऊन केलेले. त्याच्यानंतर आपल्याकडे आहे सन्ड्री क्रेडिटर्स अँड बिल्स पेएबल. तर सन्ड्री क्रेडिटर्स अँड बिल्स पेएबल थर्ड पार्टी लायबिलिटी आहे, त्यामुळे आपली ती रिअलायझेशनच्या क्रेडिटर साईडला जाते. आता आपलं जुनी जी काही बॅलन्स शीट आपल्याला दिलेली आहे त्या बॅलन्स शीटचं पोस्टिंग करून झालेलं आहे. आता या पोस्टिंग नंतर आपण काय करतो, तर आपल्याला दिलेल्या ॲडजस्टमेंट ज्या आहेत त्या ॲडजस्टमेंटचं आपण एक नंतर एक असं पोस्टिंग करून घेतो. तर आपली पहिली ॲडजस्टमेंट आपल्याला काय दिली होती, दे डिसाइडेड टू डिसॉल्व द फर्म ॲज फॉलोज. मीन्स संगीता, अनिता अँड स्मिता हॅड डिसाइडेड टू डिसॉल्व द फर्म. सो फर्स्ट वन, assets realized as land recovered 1,80,000, goodwill 75,000, loans and advances 12,000, and 10% of bad debt, 10% of debts proved bad. These assets are sold out. So what will be the effect? Bank account debit to realization account. So we are going to post this entry. Bank account debit to realization. So first of all we will go to the credit side of realization account. By bank account and amount land 1,80,000, goodwill 75,000, loans and advances 10% amount we didn't recover from the debtors, that is called as bad debts. So deducting 10% amount will get amount of debtors that 1,12,500. So debtors will be of 1,12,500. Okay, so total of amount we recover by selling the asset, that is 3,79,500. Total of this all assets comes 3,79,500. Second effect of this asset goes to the debit side of bank account, that is called as, here it is, to realization account. Amount will be from here 3,79,500. So the entry bank account debit to realization account. Bank account debit 3,79,500 and realization account credit 3,79,500. We recover from the assets realized. We will see now the second adjustment, that is Sangeeta took plant at book value. Means a partner Sangeeta has taken over plant at book value. So entry will be Sangeeta's capital account debit to realization account. We are going to the debit side of Sangeeta's capital account to realization account rupees 20,000, and credit side of realization account by Sangeeta's capital account rupees 20,000. The third adjustment is creditors and bills payable paid at 5% discount. So these creditors and bills payable we have to pay at 5% discount. So entry will be realization account debit to bank account. So we are going to the debit side of realization account to bank account. Sundry creditors of rupees 1,40,000 is 5% off, and bills payable of rupees 19,000. So total will be 1,33,000. This 1,33,000 will go to the credit side of bank account by realization account 1,33,000. Okay. Now fourth adjustment, Sangeeta's loan was discharged along 6,000 as interest. So what will be the entry? Sangeeta's loan account debit, interest account debit to bank account. But this interest will be transferred to the realization account. So effect will go like this: to bank account rupees 1,20,000, and to the credit side of bank account we have to write by Sangeeta's loan account 1,20,000, and to bank account debit for interest rupees 6,000, and to the credit side of bank account we have to write by realization account 6,000 as interest. Now we have to close this Sangeeta's loan account because we have paid out. So 1,20,000 here and 1,20,000 here. So Sangeeta's loan account will be closed. Now the last of rupees 1 lakh which was under discount. Out of them, a holder of one bill of 20,000 became insolvent. That means one contingent liability we had paid of rupees 1 lakh by discounting our bill with bank. But when our debtor has become insolvent, so his 20,000 rupees we have to pay. So entry will be realization account debit to bank account. So we are going to the debit side of realization account to bank account for contingent liability of rupees 20,000, and the effect will go to the credit side of bank account by realization account rupees 20,000. Okay, here is end of our posting. Now what we are going to do? We are going to close this realization account and going to find out whether it is profit or loss. So debit side of realization account is 5,44,000 and credit side of realization account is 5,39,500. So this credit side is less than debit side. So this 5,44,000 I am taking here as a balancing figure, 5,44,000, and from this if we deduct this credit side of 5,39,500, the balance remains 4,500. This 4,500 we have to distribute among the partners. So the entry will be partners capital account debit to realization account. So here I am writing by partners capital account, that is loss or realization loss. So partners are Sangeeta, Anita and Smita, and the ratios are 2 by 2 by 1. So the figures will be 1,800 for Sangeeta, 1,800 for Anita and 900 for Smita. This balance will go to the debit side of partners capital account to realization account, that is loss. For Sangeeta 1,800, Anita 1,800 and Smita 900. Now we are going to find out balances of partners capital account. We are going to close this capital account. So credit side of partners capital account is more than debit side. So these figures we are taking as balancing figures. 60,000 of Sangeeta, I am taking here 60,000. From this 60,000, if we deduct this 21,800, the balance will be 38,200. Anita's balance 40,000. I am taking here 40,000. And if we deduct 1,800, the balance will be 38,200. Smita's balance 30,000. I am taking here 30,000. And if we deduct 900, the balance will be 29,100. So these balances will go to the bank account. So entry will be partners capital account debit to bank account. So I am writing here to bank account balances and will go to the credit side of bank account by Sangeeta's capital account rupees 38,200 29,100. Total of debit side of bank account is 3,84,500 and total of credit side of bank account is also 3,84,500. So this problem gets tallied with the amount 3,84,500. Students, hope you understand this problem.